My name is Dyan deNapoli. I'm known as the Penguin Lady. So I'm a penguin expert, a TED speaker, and an author. I wrote this book called The Great Penguin Rescue, and that is about my experiences helping to save 40,000 African penguins from an oil spill off the coast of Cape Town, South Africa. So it was the world's largest and most successful animal rescue ever undertaken. So I had the great privilege of helping to manage that rescue. And so when I worked at the New England Aquarium in Boston, I was there for 9 years, and we had African penguins, rockhopper penguins, and little blue penguins. So little blue penguins are the smallest penguin on Earth. They only stand about that high. They're about 8 inches tall. They're really small, and the feathers on their back are actually blue, which is why they're called little blue penguins. And in Australia and New Zealand, they're also sometimes called fairy penguins. And they're really adorable, really small, but really, really loud for such a little tiny bird.
Why does the daddy penguin take care of the egg?
Why does the daddy penguin take care of the egg? So I'm assuming what you are asking about is the emperor penguin, which is very unique penguin species. Again, that's the largest penguin in the world, lives in Antarctica, and it's the only penguin that breeds in the Antarctic winter. So it could be 100 degrees below zero, winds could be blowing 100 miles an hour, and that's when they're raising their young. And try and get out of the sun here so you can see me better. So the emperor penguin does something unique. The male incubates the egg by himself for 65 days, while the female goes off to sea to eat. With every other penguin species, the male and the female take turns. So the reason the male is doing that work is the female's going off to get a big belly full of food so that as soon as that chick hatches, she can come back and do that first feeding. And then they start switching places.